This video covers the boot process for the HinksPix Pro CPU. I'm going to go ahead and press the reset button. The first thing we're going to see is LED test. That turns on all the LEDs to make sure that they're all functional. And then the next is left to menu, right to test. It also tells you have 32 ports hooked up. We can use the test function over here and the menu. See our other videos. It knows that we have 32 ports of pixels hooked up. It's configuring all those. It's now sending data down to the configuration on the long-range receivers, telling them what their configuration is. It's important to understand that when a long range is connected to this controller, and it is a smart receiver, it will only receive its configuration during boot. Now, once it boots once, it will retain that configuration. We're now at the idle screen, and you will see that the boot is complete. In this particular case, this controller is not yet configured. It only has the default one universe. The lower number is the IP address, and you can see that the controller is alternating between the protocol that it is receiving data on, such as E131 in this case, and the date and time of the controller. Now, if your controller was in a standalone mode playing for sequence, you would have a slightly different screen indicating that it was waiting for the show or the show was actually operational.